Chicago. This first one's called Aha. Brush your wake up, put on makeup in the bathroom, and go to work and stay real late and text you she'll be back soon. Let her boss run his fingers on a pretty blonde platinum dude. Okay. Should we try it again? Yes, you wake up, put on makeup in the bathroom, and go to work and stay real late and text you she'll be back soon. But her boss has his fingers around a pretty blonde platinum dude. I bet you never thought about that, did you? I just don't know my business, and I don't wanna get involved. Never she's cool. I think you should be told. She got you in your knees like a little bird. Everybody seems that you does a little bird. She's got a box full, she lets you in, feel over and you don't say, oh. She wears your skirt so you don't ask her if you could check her phone. Talk about the guys at work so you feel ego-central. Like Nancy calls a football teams and she like continental, but the European accent that she speaks is so gentle. And it's in her business, and I don't wanna get involved. And I think that she's cool. She got you in your knees like a little bird. Everybody sees that you does a little bird. She's got a box full, she lets you if you love her and you know what to say. Oh, you're nerve, you don't seem to see. I wish that it worked, she's doing what you did to me. You're nerve, you don't seem to see. I wish that it worked, she's doing what you did to me. She got you in your knees like a little bird. Everybody sees that you does a little bird. She's got a box full, she lets you if you love her and you know what to say. Oh, she lets you if you love her and you know what to say. Oh, she lets you if you love her and you know what to say. Thank you. Alright, this next one's off an EP I released called the Something American EP. It's called Good Woman. One minute you told two lies that you love me, and it was you and I. One minute I came to see half a man and what you used to be. Did it take a minute for her to steal everything you thought that was real? Maybe longer, an hour or more before she took you out to the hotel floor. Did you tell yourself, down the babe, you're giving me a heart attack? Ooh, what were you thinking? How did you take me far? Ooh, what were you thinking? She said I was slow. She read things that I don't, say things that are ruin my bones. She's got you up where you had me to the heart. Always that she a dream. Did you tell yourself but on the bed, babe? You're giving me a heart attack. Ooh, what were you thinking? How did it take me far? Ooh, what were you thinking? She been down as far. Version of me, version of me, version of me. Version of me, version of me, version of me. Thank you, guys. How are you feeling today? I didn't realize it was Saturday. Saturday's a party day. This is cool. Good at it. Thank you very much. All right, this next one's not so doom and gloom. It's a bit about being in love. It's called Side Effects. Thank you so much. I'm wearing velvet suit on this stage. I don't know what's wrong with me. Meaning it's hot. All right, this next one's called Ruins. It's a bit of a sad one, but then we'll all dance later and then, you know, have a good time. Is that all right? Are you with me, Chicago? Good. How do we have to do this again? I tell you how I'm feeling, then you like a cryptomaniac will try and connect the dots and the facts. How do we have to be here? It's these hotels I just can't relax. The more I beg, the worse that I snap. Feel like a goddamn maniac. Are you sure you wanna do this now? I mean it when I say that. Say that I'm not sure who I am, 'cause one minute I love you and the next it's all in ruins. One minute thinking of you and the next it's all in ruins. Tell me, what did I do to deserve somebody like you? It's too hard to tell the truth. Nothing's real and nothing's new. I'm just a product of my emotions, and they're all setting off again. If it's a mixture or a dosage, and I need just what you're having. Are you sure you wanna do this now? Oh, are you sure you wanna do this now? I mean it when I say that. Say that I'm not sure who I am, 'cause one minute I love you and the next is all in ruins. One minute thinking of you and the next it's all in ruins. Again, here again, I can't let it out and I can't let you in. Are we all okay? Alright, do you mind if I just play one more sad song? And then we can all cry together and feel better afterwards, right? Okay, this one's called If I Die. To everyone, how in love I've been. If I die, put me in a song, so I'll live on in your melody. If a day comes where I am cold, then let me go and be happy. If you're sad, then make up a tune that I can live through and you'll carry. If I die, don't put me in stars. I'm never that far away from you. If I don't awake from my sleep, know that I'm free in glory, and I'm okay with who I've been, so there's no need to be mourning. If I die, don't put me in stars. I'm never that far away from you. Pour me words, not hallelujahs. What's come from the heart and now ring true. Has a cold breath of air, has a feeling everywhere, has an angel, has a breeze. You will always have me. Has a cold breath of air, has a feeling everywhere, has an angel, has a breeze. You will always have me. If I die, put me in a song, a beautiful one that plays on and on. If I die, tell everyone that I'm not gone, I'm just watching, I'm just watching. If I die, don't put me in stars. I'm never that far away from you. Pour me words, not hallelujahs. Words come from the heart and they'll ring true.
Thank you, guys. All right, I'm gonna stop making myself sad now. This next one's a new one. It's not released anywhere, so it's called Honeymoon.
Why do I wait till the morning fade slowly crawls in? Why do I take what I'm born with and give it all to you? Ooh, I give everything I can,
next one you might know.
All the old paintings on the tomb, they do the sand dance, don't you know? If you move too quick, oh well, they're falling down like a domino. All the bizarre men on the now, they got their money on a bed. Cold crocodiles, oh well, except the teeth on your cigarette. All my types with a hook up, I say, hey yo, hey yo. Walk like an Egyptian. Grab their trays and spin around and they cross the floor. They got the moves, oh well. You grab your drinks and they give you more. All the school kids so sick of books, they like the ball and the metal bands. When the buzzer rings, oh well, they're walking like an Egyptian. All the kids in the marketplace say, hey yo, hey yo. Walk like an Egyptian. On the tomb, they do the sand dance, don't you know? If you move too quick, oh well, they're falling down like a domino. All the bizarre men on the now, they got their money on a bed. Cold crocodiles, oh well, they step the teeth on the cigarette. All the times through the hook up, I say, hey yo, hey yo. Walk like an Egyptian.
Walk like an Egyptian. Walk like an Egyptian. Walk like an Egyptian.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. All right, this next one, do you guys, you wanted to rock a little bit? All right, you won't know this one, but it is a rock one, so I need to stop saying rock. Rock, rock. I don't know what I'm on today, I swear, I haven't smoked anything. This one's called Hold That Thought.
I'm not the type to wear my heart on my sleeve. But look at me, I'm ready for the winter. Getting all emotional, my feelings calm between my teeth. Just like a splinter, I don't get a wrong impression. Usually I'm more of a victor, but all this attention is beginning to let him think that he might be special. Hold that thought, you better hold that thought, 'cause I might be into it. Hold that thought, you better hold that thought, 'cause I might be into it. Another time to get like that, but usually by now I would've read. Now what has become of me now? Could it be that you are a man, or an
Chicago. I appreciate it. I should say Lollapalooza. Sorry, we've never been here before. This is our first time, so thank you for being so lovely. This next song is about an ex of mine. It's called Lottery. I was 19 and you were 23 and we stayed in number 4 Ferdinand Street. We spent 5 talking that our lives bored. Told her that about 1,000 times and I'm bored of all that. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, yeah. You got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you're playing anyway. I've been with you, Oscar. Oh, is he alive? 26 now, but he's 30. How messed up is that? I'll forget it, he says. I'm a jealous man and I don't wanna talk about that. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, yeah. You got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you're playing anyway. You're still betting on me. Hold on, my dear, hold on real time. It's just a numbers game in my mind, and we've been here 1,000 times, 1,000 times, 1,000. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, yeah. You got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you're playing anyway. But you're still betting on me. You used to tell me that love is a lottery, yeah. You got your numbers and you're betting on me. You used to say that love is a game, but you got your numbers and you play it anyway. You're still betting on me, baby. Thank you. All right, we have 6 minutes left. We're gonna chop, try and get them all in. This is called I Get No Joy. Military marching it on my head. Everything I did, everything I said. Take it to the arch for your happiness. I'll spend it like a lark, sing it for nothing. I get no joy. I get no joy. All the ways I'm always I can see they get them on my head. Everything because everything you leave it, I get no joy. Together and apart, do it all again. Right back to the start, straight up to the end. I'm such a fool, got everything in you. Yeah, my heart is so blue, I'm singing for nothing. I get no joy. I get no joy. All the ways I'm always I can see they get them on my head. Everything because everything you leave it, I get no joy. I swear that I don't pay attention if I did would intervention come to me in a dream. Or is that just what the directors and the pills and the deflectors would have you believe? Psychotic, hypnotic, erotic, expresses your thing. But how many days a week do you feel? Unless you connect, you don't expect it and you're offensive. What do you need? What do you need? I get no joy. I watching us. We really, really, really appreciate it. I've been Jade. This has been my lovely band. This is Gone Gone.
You got an addiction, unrealistic mission, cigarettes and alcohol, you lost yourself, telling the same stories you did all in last week. The bar is closing, darling, please put that bottle down. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on babe, there's the door. 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm your girlfriend, not your mate. 7, 8, 9, 10, if you go down you will get up again. 4, 3, 2, 1, he's going, going. Sorry Mr. Einstein's already past your bedtime. Too big and talking, get over yourself. I'm sure you would go very far if you even had a car. But I hate to inform you still living in your mother's house. 1, 2, 3, 4, come on babe, there's the door. 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm your girlfriend, not your mate. 7, 8, 9, 10, if you go down you will get up again. 4, 3, 2, 1, he's going, going. Go away, go away, go. Some of the best you mistake and the best everybody trying to calm you down. Tell me what you do if I wasn't with you and there was nobody else around. Some of the best you was sick and the best everybody trying to calm you down. Tell me what you do if I wasn't with you and there was nobody else around. 2, 3, 4, come on babe, there's the door. 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm your girlfriend, not your mate. 7, 8, 9, 10, if you go down you will get up again. 4, 3, 2, 1, he's going, going. Go away, go away, go.
Thank you so much, Lollapalooza. Cheers.